So it's June 30th, 2023-ish. I'm about 2 days away from my 56th birthday. I saw a video where world's strongest man Eddie Hall did 100 crunches / sit-ups a day for a month, and I thought, I can do that. So starting tomorrow, I'm gonna do that. Tomorrow I'll weigh in, I'll get my specs, give you a measurement. I'm not gonna take my shirt off or anything. You guys don't need to see that. And we're gonna see what doing 100 crunches every day for a month does to a 56-year-old grandpa. We'll see if I can even do them. I may not be able to, but we'll find out. I'll give you weekly updates. So a few things about this challenge. I'm not going to change my diet in any way. I'm still gonna eat normally. I suspect I'm not an average 56-year-old. I do go to the gym 4 days a week. I do a half hour of cardio every workout, and then we have some sort of weight training every time we go to the gym. Usually it's light weights, high repetition. In addition to that, we also ride bicycles. I rode 100 miles in one day before. Our normal rides are around 40 to 60 miles. So endurance shouldn't be a factor. It'll just be if my gut muscles can hold out. On August 1st, we'll know the results. All you guys have to do is watch a few minutes. I have to wait an entire month. So tomorrow morning we'll do a weigh-in and some basic measurements and get to work. So a quick update on the fitness challenge. It's July 4th, so I've done 400 crunches at the gym, 100 a day. Feeling pretty good. Stomach hurts a little bit, but it is rock hard right now. So I'll be back on the 7th with the weigh-in. We'll see you then. Okay, so we're 1 week into the challenge, and I figured I'd update you with the numbers. I've already shown and recorded the weigh-in numbers. There's nothing really statistically significant in that. Losing a half pound, that could just be the difference in water weight. I'm not going to say it's been easy, but it isn't that hard 1 week in. My tummy hurts a little bit, especially the last 2 days. as far as measurements, I didn't get the measurements on camera, but before I started this challenge, around the largest part of my belly, the circumference was 44 inches. Today I measured, and it was about 43 and a half. I will tell you, my belly feels firmer. Everything's tighter. It really isn't that much more exercise than we're already getting, but I am sleeping a little bit better. We'll see how this progresses. All right, me from the future. I realized in the intro I forgot to talk about supplements. The only two supplements I take are a protein shake every day, and I also take 5 milligrams of creatine daily. All right, that's it. Okay, so we're into week 2 now of doing 100 crunches every day. I feel really good. It came really easy this time. No feeling like I had pulled muscles or anything like that. I'm still nursing a sore tendon in my leg, so the rest of my workout is a little limited. But we've done 100 every day, and you can see from the weigh-in I've lost a few pounds. From the tape measure this time, I actually gained a little bit in size. Still statistically insignificant. I think it'll be easy to finish this out now. We've got 2 weeks to go. Looks like the pepper plants are coming in okay. Anyway, week 3, as you can see, the initial weight loss came back, and that's okay. This isn't about weight loss, it's about just doing the challenge. So we're 3 weeks in, and it's actually pretty easy now to do 100 crunches. Today is the first day that I really don't feel like doing them, because I just rode a 60-mile bike ride, but I'm gonna do them anyway. I haven't missed a day yet. It is the 21st or 22nd at this point, so got about a little more than a week to go in July. So I'll get them knocked out before I go to bed tonight, and we'll see you in a week. Okay, so here we are. We're a month into our challenge. It's pretty much over. Honestly, I have one more day. Uh, what I'm going to do right now is just ramble on randomly, and I'll fix it in editing and make me look smarter than I am. So we did 100 crunches every day for 31 days straight. How did it feel? The first week was pretty rough. It felt like I had torn my ab muscles. Now it doesn't feel too bad. In fact, I just crank them out, no problem at all. Would I recommend doing this challenge? No, not really. Recovery time is really important, and I don't feel that doing any activity every day is good. You need time, especially in your mid 50s, to recover. I would recommend that you find your own challenge, whether it be training to run a marathon or whether it be walking to the end of your driveway every day. You have to continually challenge yourself. Weight loss. There was effectively zero weight loss. Yes, I did lose 4 pounds. You cannot lose weight by exercise alone. You have to be in a calorie deficit. I'm pretty good about watching what I eat, but a couple of days I went nuts and it showed. I am down 4 pounds, but that's really not statistically significant. Doing the crunches every day seemed to take away from other aspects of our training. I just didn't have the energy to continually push weights after doing the crunches. I did fight a sore muscle in my leg for a while. The big thing at our age is getting the recovery time in there. I know I mentioned it before, but recovery is so important. I know if I take a day off from the gym, I feel so much stronger when I go back. If I take a day off from cycling, I feel so much stronger when I get back on the bike. Recovery is as important as workouts. Another thing to mention, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a dietitian. I'm just an average guy, an average idiot. Would I do this challenge again? Probably, but I would squeeze in recovery days in there. One nice thing is my ab muscles are much, much tighter. It just feels better. My wife rubs her hands on my belly. That's always a good thing. I guess I'm going to close this out. I got to figure out what my next challenge will be. Think I'll take a couple days off from doing crunches, and then we'll head right back to the gym and find something else to do. I think I'm done for a little while. Think maybe I have some challenges with organization around this shop and some projects that I need to work on. So for now, I'm done with the physical challenges. But would I do it again? Maybe. Do I recommend it for everybody? Absolutely not. But find a challenge and go for it. Do something. I've got so much stuff planned in my life. I need to live to be 120 to do it all. So I better start pushing myself more. Anyway, I know this video is a lot different than what we've done before. Um, if you watch through to the end, you're top shelf. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.